Hello students, let's read this question. In the above figure, both disk and clue are parallelograms. Find the value of x. So let's start the solution. We can write that angle K plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. As these are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So this will be equals to K is 120 degree plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. So from here we get R is 180 minus 120. So R comes out to be 60 degree. Also we can write angle R is equals to angle SIL. SIL. Angle R is equals to angle SIL, as these are corresponding angles. So therefore angle SIL will be 60 degree. Also we can state that angle ECR is equals to angle 70, which is angle L, as these are also corresponding angles. And from this figure we can state that angle ECR is equals to angle UEC, as these are alternate interior angles. Also, so angle UEC will be equals to 70 degree. Also we can state that this angle and this angle is also equal. So angle SIL is equals to angle KSI. Angle SIL is 60 degree. So angle KSI will be 60 degree. So this we can write that in short it is angle S, and this we can write in short this is angle E. So if we consider this triangle, we can state that x plus angle S plus angle E is equals to 180 degree, by the sum angle property of triangle. So this will be x plus angle S is 60 degree and angle E is 70 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. So this will be equals to x is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 70 degree. So from here we get the value of angle x as 50 degree. So in the figure of risk and clue, we have found out the value of x, which comes out to be 50 degree. So hope you understand it well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.